Cheeky people of this world, oh, you know I love you, yeah I do. Cheeky people of this world, oh, you know I love you, yeah I do. Cheeky people of the world, oh, you know hey, I was just watching a friend's video, YouTube video of course, and reminded me of the story. We had a bird that we gave to my mother-in-law, my mum, and she had to give it back to us. Her pets weren't getting along with it, etc. Well, this bird had so much attitude. God, he was a cool bird. He was the kind of bird that we left him in the cage. If you left him in the cage too long, he would attack you when he got out. That's it. We did it once for 2 days, and he didn't attack us once or twice like normal. He attacked us the whole evening. Come over, rush over, smash into our feet with his beak. This bird was so funny. He had a love relationship with a pink moccasin. That's right. He would go over, left and right, and take care of his business. Pink moccasin. One time, he was perched on my shoulder, and I had spoke to my wife. I was on the cordless phone, and I said, "Oh, let me go outside and check the weather. I don't know what it's like." I forgot the bloody bird was on my shoulder. Well, about 20 seconds into the conversation, I kind of went, the bird knew that I knew, tweaked, a massive tweak. It was like, "I'm free, you." And off he went. Now, I always felt really bad about that because, you know, birds, domestic birds in the wild, they don't do too well, they say. But you know what? If a bird was going to survive, it was going to be him. Well, I knew a bird, it was so cheeky. Used to be in love with a moccasin too. Yeah, I knew a bird who was so cheeky. Used to love you.